Welcome to the 7th grade virtual open house. I am Miss Bullard. I teach health and the project Lead the Way class design and model. First semester, we are working on the health curriculum. When we get to second semester and switch to design and model, that is a new class that Hickory is offering. This is just the second year. You'll get some more information on that, but basically it's a class to introduce students to the careers in architecture, engineering, graphic design, gives them an idea of the skills that it takes to enter one of those careers. Here's a little bit of the classroom here. We've got a cabinet with our supplies over there. We, in design and model, we build prototypes. We learn how to measure accurately, to communicate ideas. We do mechanical dissections. Lots of things that keeps the kids engaged in those possible career ideas. So looking forward to that. And thank you for visiting our open house video.